Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you through the process of adding a quantity selector instead of entering the quantity manually in a text box. Before we begin, please ensure that you have activated the Min-Max Quantity Pro version. Now first, go to the Manage Rules menu item and click the Add New Rule button. In the Settings page, enter an admin title based on rules that you need to configure, for example, Quantity Selector. Proceed to the Rules section, where we will define the quantity selection conditions. Now let's configuring the product-specific conditions. First, you can set simple products from the dropdown and select the product for which you want to apply quantity limits. Next, click the Add Rule button and select condition, for example variable products, and from the multiple variations, such as hoodies available in different sizes and colors, you can apply rules to specific variations, for example large size and green color. Now go to the next section to set the action. First, set a minimum quantity of 2 for the above conditions and a maximum quantity of 10. Then after, select increment step as a 2. Then, set a default quantity of 2 for a better combination. Now, select the quantity selector type, by default as a text box, but we can change it to the radio button or the dropdown. Let's select this option. Once all settings are configured, click Save to apply the rules. Settings have been saved. Now, on the front side, let's check how these changes reflect. This product is selected in the rules, and you will now see the drop-down selector instead of a text box. Select a quantity, for example, 4, and click Add to Cart. Now, go to the shop page and select a variable product that is added to the rules. Here, initially, the default quantity is 1. Now let's select the size variation to large from the dropdown and the color variation to green from this dropdown option. After the selection, yes, you can see the dropdown selector appears, reflecting our predefined rules. Choose a quantity, let's say 8, and add it to the cart. If you select a different variation from the dropdown, for example color to red, then you can see the change in the dropdown to a text box here. Now let's add this product also in the cart. Now, let's review the cart page. Navigate to the cart page, you will see that a simple product only allows you to select a quantity from the dropdown list. Also, this variation allows you to select a quantity from the dropdown list. Other variations without predefined rules remain text box in that you can add any quantity amount. Let's change it to 20 and update the cart. Now let's proceed to checkout and finalize the purchase with this product quantities by clicking this button. On the checkout page, you see that there is no quantity change option available. Click this Place Order button to place an order. The order is placed successfully, with the same product quantity selected on the cart page. This way you can configure the quantity selector based on different products or variations based on your needs. For premium plugins, visit our website, and to test the plugin click on the link below given in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons.